Perhaps one of the most well-known trademarks of Birnamwood Productions' short films is the use of a unique and chilling zombie sound effect. Horrifying, creepy, and unnatural are just some of the words used to describe this mysterious sound. But now, the filmmakers at Birnamwood Productions have decided to reveal the origins of the sound effect. It is in fact provided by this man, Caleb James Whittle, a decorated engineering student, devout family man, and rapper. Caleb's laughter from the outtake of an old film, when slowed to 25% speed, is the iconic Birnamwood Productions zombie sound.